myself Professor Surya Yudi, Arsu Technical Campus, Chas, Ahmednagar. Today we will discuss about the subject name is International Finance Management, Unit 2nd, Forecasting Exchange Rate, and the topic name is given that FEMA Act 1999. Means what? Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999. So in that topic we discuss about the firstly introduction. In that introduction we understand about the what is the FEMA Act, how to enforce, and how Parliament are given data in the fill of that FEMA Act. So one by one we understand about the all theory and situated how to create and why she is not in absence in the 1973. So firstly FEMA Act introduced 1973. Firstly FEMA Act introduced 1973 cause of our foreign exchange policies are very variable. Means what? It's a floating, not a stable. It's not a peak. Not stable. So in 1973 FEMA Act introduced by a parliament, government of India. So enacted Parliament of India. Enacted Parliament of India. The majority has passed the bill, both of the parliament. It's what? In Lok Sabha and also Rajya Sabha. Both are the passed by bill, and then president signed and enforced into force January 2000. Firstly, Parliament acted 1973, and then they are not so much updated in regulations and factors. So in 19 when he introduced तेव्हा अशी गरज पडली की फॉरेन एक्सचेंज रेट मध्ये काही बदलाव पाहिजे आणि ते बदलाव आणण्यासाठी पार्लमेंटनं अमेंड केलं म्हणजे काय केलं की पार्लमेंटनं अमेंड ऍक्ट सोसायटी रजिस्ट्रेशन ऍक्ट 1860 acted 1999. पार्लमेंटने अमेंड केल्यानंतर त्याच्यामध्ये सोसायटी रजिस्ट्रेशन ऍक्ट वर ते ग्राह्य धरलं गेलं आणि फॉरेन एक्सचेंज मार्केट मॅनेजमेंट ऍक्ट नुसार आपण आता रेग्युलेशन करू शकतो. मीन्स व्हॉट? यू कॅन रेग्युलेट एनी फॉरेन एक्सचेंज रेट बिटवीन law by the parliament. म्हणजेच काय की पार्लमेंटने एकदा नियम काढल्यानंतर लॉ केल्यानंतर त्याला राष्ट्रपतीने सँक्शन केलं 1 जानेवारी 2020 साली आणि त्याचा कायदा तयार झाला आणि त्याच्यामध्ये मॅनेजमेंट कसं करायचं फॉरेन एक्सचेंज रेटचं याचं डिस्क्रिप्शन देण्यात आलं. सो रिलॅक्स याच्या मागे मुख्य ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह होता त्याचा objective of FEMA Act 1999 was relax the control of foreign exchange rate. Main objective was relax the particular FEMA Act 1999. याच्या मागे मुख्य उद्देश होता त्यांचा रिलॅक्स करायचा, की काही नियम आहेत ते कडक असतात, काही नॉर्मल असतात, त्याच्यामध्ये अपडेशन करून ते रिलॅक्स करायचे. म्हणजे काय करायचं, एक सर्क्युलर काढून ते रिलॅक्स करायचं, म्हणजे त्याला ढिलाई द्यायची. म्हणजे त्याला काय करायचं, एक थोडं सस्ते बस्तेमध्ये घ्यायचं, म्हणजे ढिलाई देऊन त्याच्यामध्ये काही चेंजेस आणायचे. आणि some of the changing of new liberal and environment. Then changing the new liberals and the environment are particular in a FEMA Act. So we understand about the every introduction of the main objective and the why we can change the FEMA Act in 1973 and updated and amended between 1999. So firstly we understand about the every particular manner in the introduction. So next was, where is the headquarter? Head office. The head office is New Delhi. The FEMA Act 1997, what head office was in a New Delhi, and headed by ED. ED means informants of directors, and they are directed by ED. Every FEMA Act was introduced by in a main objective was relax changing the FEMA Act, either changing the new liberal and environmental act. So and then headed by ED means what? Informants of director. Recently we understand about the ED is so much in the news cause of so much ED was raided by the we are know about the ABP Mazda news, and you understand about the every factor in a manner. So ED was is a central government director body in a particular manner. It was headed by director in a substances. So RBI control the controlling authority. RBI controlling authority. In a FEMA Act, RBI was controlling authority. Every matter was firstly introduced in a RBI. Then he can update it for the informant director. So RBI, central government enact the law. Central government acted law, and RBI the controlling authority. Both are mutual references. So we understand about what the factors are included in RBI and controlling authority, and the government was a law in a parliament. So directed enforcement and administrative managing authority. So next time we understand about some of the objective of FEMA Act 1999. Objective. objective was to reinforce and amend to the law. To reinforce and amend the law. In that FEMA Act, the first objective was to reinforce and amend the law. We understand about the 1973 was FEMA Act introduced, and then he amended 1999 and introduced it in force to 1st January 2000. So the reinforce and amend to the law. It's the first objective in a FEMA Act. Then to simply and smooth, to simply and smooth act. The second objective was to simply and smooth the particular law and rules and regulations. Then external trade, and third was external trade and payments. We already know about the foreign exchange management, how to external trades are payment, shopkeepers, banks, commercial banks. So our factors are included in a last lecture. We understand about what the roles and particular participants in a foreign exchange rates in a market. So we don't again and again we repeat that. So external trade and payments. Fourth was promote the systematic development. Promote systematic development. In that FEMA Act, the particular promote the systematic means what? It's a free to everyone, and everyone exchange can between the not a disturbance any things are in a FEMA Act. So they promote the systematic development. Then fifth, remove the disparity. Remove the what the disparity? Disparity means barriers, limitations. What the limitations are in Amendment Act FEMA Act 1999? They are disability to remove and flexible to everyone, each of them in a parliament acted by the law. So remove the disability barriers in a acted. The fourth, fifth objective of the FEMA Act. Then sixth was free to market. Free to market. When you remove the disability, then our act was the free to market. So you interconnected this objective was in there. So you can remove the disability, then everyone was the free to market for the foreign exchange rates. 7. Business and environment. Business and development was introduced. Foreign companies are introduced for our sustainable development to business and development to everyone, and to eco-friendly environment in a FEMA Act. Then last was 8. The 8 was to utilize 4G, to utilize FEMA Act 1999. Government of India, central government utilizes FEMA Act as per the rules and regulations. So resources utilize the FEMA Act resources for the utilize effectively and they are implemented. So we totally understand about the FEMA Act 1999 and we firstly introduce that the objective of the FEMA Act. So finish the lecture. Thank you very much.